Good morning, guys. We are back with the day in the life again. I'm gonna go to the training first. I'm running late. It's already 8:04, but I'll be there in 2 minutes. After that, just gonna show you how the day is, how everything is running a $2 million business on Fiverr. Today is Monday and it should be a really busy day actually, because weekends we are usually a little bit slower with replies, so we have some messages that are maybe unreplied from Saturdays. I know it might be not good, but from running the Fiverr business for 8 years, I can say that you should definitely prioritize the weekends, even if you don't reply for like a day on the weekend, unless there is something really critical. But yeah, today is going to be pretty insane, so I'm going to walk you through and show you how everything is. Yeah, some people are maybe not a big fan of like a morning workout. I remember when I was in the US, like living, studying, everyone was like waking up so early, 5 a.m, training 6 a.m. You see everyone is like already running around. Now back home, quick shower, and we are heading to the office and finally starting our day. In the previous vlog, I used to show another office. It was in the city center, and this one is a little bit further. Still close, but they have another location, and this is basically a co-working space. It's really cool because I think this is a nice idea where you can kind of like be in the office but not really rent an office, because you're not stuck at one location, so you can be kind of flexible. Sometimes you can work from home, sometimes you can work in this like a co-working space. We have like a more like a hybrid approach now, so sometimes it's in the office, sometimes it's remote, because people are tempted to be remote. They want to be remote. What can you do? You can't really force them, so I think it's a good approach. So we are finishing March soon, and this is just a little update on how this month has been. We're at 27, but most likely it's gonna be probably 35.
Aiming at more than 35, I would hope.
If I do the deliveries now.
Yeah, I mean, if you do, yeah, it's gonna be like 35K, I think.
Been very impressive, to be honest, since the start of this year, because last year was actually a lot lower. We had lower than 30K, and when Alyosha joined, all the credits to you.
No, not all, but some.
A lot of people ask me what sort of like the extension, and what is this. This is something that is coming soon. I'm gonna be announcing it. For now, this is actually, I would say, a good portion of success as well, because we're able to track leads much better. I'll be showing you how we structure the leads, but this is something that is very helpful, and hopefully we can continue to improve it, and it can be also helpful for anyone who is on Fiverr as well.
Yes, travel it's much easier now, so some people I think would be down for it. I do honestly believe they would, yeah.
So Chris just recorded a voice message for me, because we are thinking to do like something new. It's like basically an offline mastermind one-on-one training. And Chris actually gave good ideas, because maybe this can be a group mastermind in the future. We want to do education, but the thing is, we don't want to do it just in like, course and that's it, because I think most of the courses, most people don't really pay enough attention. And I think when you sell something really valuable, where we can actually teach you how you can create content like exactly for clients, for different niches, how we are doing this. We're making a really good revenue from this kind of service, and we can teach pretty much anyone how they can do it as well. We can show how you can sell this service, how you can hire people, you can do it yourself. I mean, you can handle maybe like 5 to 7 clients yourself and just make, several thousands of dollars, can be more depending how you price yourself. And then of course, if you want to scale, we can show you how you can hire a team, how you can structure, how much to pay, how to assign work, how to properly manage everything. So this is something that we are actually want to do. If you are interested, you can send me a DM on Instagram or on X. You can see the link in the description, and we can chat about this more, because we're gonna do this like more selective, just few people maybe every month, try to really get the most results for them to make sure that this is definitely a really worth their time and in our time as well. Just now I got another mention from another Fiverr seller. This moment is really big on Russian, Ukrainian speaking community, helping people to grow on Fiverr, and he's also actually a Fiverr seller. He's doing logo animation, really amazing work. I'm gonna actually leave his profile if you need any logo animation. If you're a Russian, Ukrainian speaking, you should definitely follow him, because he has a great information. And if you're looking for logo animation services, you can also check him out. He also posted the YouTube video. He linked it to my post on YouTube. That's why you never know. Like, that's why I was always like, should I post on YouTube? Should I post on X? Should I post on LinkedIn? Should I post on Threads? Because Alosha's like, oh, Threads.
Yeah, it can be good.
I think that the answer is posting it everywhere, and then because Alosha is always liking on LinkedIn, I see some people liking on X. But that's actually that's why the distribution is important, because some people are on different platforms. All right, so I'm gonna record another video analysis for this client that is complaining that he could just buy followers, and he is saying that we did an awful job. I have to find a solution to make him happy. Hi Davide, thanks so much for watching this video. For me it's just important so we are on the same page regarding the service. On Instagram, as you know, right now especially, there are not many strategies out there, and if you want to grow to that number, the 14,000 followers, the only solution is to actually buy those followers. So when people get those fake followers, there are actually a lot of good looking fake followers, so they actually look like a legit account. They're fake, they're not active. So what happens when you try to post on your Instagram page is that Instagram is gonna show to all of these fake followers, and then those people not gonna react to your picture because this is not real people, and then that tells Instagram that okay, your content is not interesting, so Instagram is not gonna show it to any people at all. So that's the biggest problem with the fake followers. Although the number, it does look like it's cool, but in reality it's gonna hurt your reach. And let me know please your thoughts. Hope you have a great start of the week as well. Thank you so much, David. I don't know how it was, but actually it was really painful to record this video, because I'm just seeing these profiles. I mean, they're actually not bad profiles. They're like looking, like you can see here, I can show you. They are actually like, you can see it does look like a real profile, right? They have a profile picture, for example here, but they are all fake. I don't want to say a lot of things about this, but it just makes me sad and makes Alyosha sad.
Those kind of services, they should be banned.
Because I know this industry. I mean, I've been in this industry for a long, we know all of these services. For example, they actually charge a subscription, like $69. You get 2,500, 3,500 followers per month. 69. It costs them like less than $1 to do this. It's just insane how much profit margin they're getting. And they still exist. These types. And I feel bad because our industry is always trying to fight. With Instagram, anything they change, and these guys are just offering this. Actually, Puff Social is generating probably $1 million per month, and it's just insane. Let's check the Charlotte. This is Sally. He's the best in
avoiding work.
When is your vlog? When is your first vlog coming?
I started doing the editing probably in a couple of days, maybe tomorrow.
Okay, so if it's out, I'm gonna link it in my description, and you can see Sally's, because I'm also in the vlog there. Marta as well. She's the best.
Thank you.
With everything, with reels, content, UGC.
You're too kind.
No.
Very kind.
Fiverr just launched this selling licenses, Microsoft licenses, and I think it's just ridiculous, to be honest, because I'm not sure how many people are selling licenses. Alosha, are you excited? I don't know, some things that they are implementing is just maybe doesn't make much sense, but hopefully this can be changed in the future, the direction. You know, we got today 7 more orders, which is pretty good. On the weekend, we actually got more orders than usual. Usually you can see there's like a drop like here, but this weekend was pretty good. A lot of orders got completed yesterday because I did deliveries before. This month we are also on a good track. I'm getting still few notifications, like clients need to handle some of the things. Good reviews as well. We're getting good feedback so far. Things are pretty, I would say, pretty consistent. This month has been definitely better. I need to do a video analysis for just a few clients. So I'm gonna actually send a video analysis for a few clients here and we should be good. So yeah, that's some of the updates. Also, here's the Sully. Also, very interesting personality. He's been very hard worker actually. Works in a company remotely. He's going to Asia soon. So very cool story about him. He's living Belgrade. He's been here for 3 months now. It's always nice, you know, when you can meet these like-minded people and just generally people in the co-working spaces. Like, that's why I think it's much more beneficial for you to go in a co-working space than, you know, renting an office or working in a cafe. I'm seeing now, like especially in Belgrade here, a lot of people are working in the cafe. The coffee places are also implementing some rules, you know, like you cannot use a laptop, you have to order this, you know, it's different. So that's why it's just easier to go in a co-working space, because that's where actually people are working and potentially, you know, you can communicate with someone, meet some people, make connections, you know. So it's been very useful for us as well. We met a lot of good people here in this space and it's been very productive for work because it kind of like pushes you to do things, to be better and to learn from others and to improve as well. Just did this video analysis for one of the clients. I think it was good. I also got this client that got back to me and the ones that was not replying. And he said, Silly, I want to have a call with you as soon as possible because I think my audience, the content that I'm publishing is being seen by the different types of audience, not the one that I want. And I want to have a Zoom meeting to discuss and how to proceed. Again, you know, like, it's kind of like I knew that this client will be not problematic, but something like that can happen, and you know we're at the end of the order and this is basically happening, so I cannot deliver the order because obviously he's like waiting for me to help him. So those are just another things. And he was charged as well yesterday, since Fiverr has this policy that you cannot stop the subscription less than 10 days if there's like less than 10 days left. I'm not sure why, but those are just some of the things, you know. I mean, I always say to myself, like, okay, you are on Fiverr, you have to play the rules by Fiverr. If you don't like the rules, you can do things not on Fiverr, right? But I mean, for me, there are still a lot of positive things that Fiverr can bring. So those are just the things I have to adjust and I have to just like find the ways. So yeah. We're finishing the day.
Yeah. Why it's like slow?
Finally. Thank you guys for
For finding this, recommending this amazing place.
Yeah.
It's so fucking cool.
No worries. Let's enjoy.
Oh yeah.
So going back home now. It's been late. Actually, we also stopped for a dinner with Sally. I think his story is really inspiring and he said a lot of good things about me, but you know, I think he definitely has a lot of potential. So I think for anyone who is like, you know, trying to do something, trying to find their way, just like try different things, like maybe YouTube, maybe Instagram, but just I think the main goal is to try things, you know, and in the end you're gonna figure it out, you know. In the end everything's gonna work out. If you don't try, you will never know. Another day in life, how it is without any exaggeration, and just a pure work, meeting people, you know, also enjoying time as I can at the same time. But I think I'm really thankful to be, you know, to have this like a freedom that sometimes, you know, you have clients, you have complaints, but I think the thing that you can get is a freedom. It beats all the money you can make or anything. And of course health, you know, being healthy, feeling healthy. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. You know, sometimes it's kind of like feels when you don't do too often these vlogs. Maybe they're not as good or as valuable, but still I hope you guys enjoy it in some way. And if you're around Belgrade, you know, Serbia, just feel free to send me a message on Instagram or on X, whatever you're using, Fiverr seller, freelancer. I would really love to like also connect with you, because I'm thinking to host an event here in Belgrade, like a meetup, you know, so it will be nice to connect with you guys if you are in this area, Belgrade, or nearby as well. If you're a Fiverr seller, would love to also interview you as well about your journey. Or if you're just freelancer, if you have like, if you just want to share your story, I'm happy to give this sort of a platform for you, you know, and connect with you, of course. Thanks a lot, and see you in the next one.